Got a Zx7r 1992 off of Craigslist. Up outside of Atlanta. It sat at a bike shop forever. It was in a nasty accident at one time. I just want to show you real quick some of the differences. First one is the tack on these goes to 12.5. The second one is the forks are adjustable. That'd be flat if it was a regular one. It's got an adjustable shock. Aluminum subframe for the single seat. Flat side carbs. Those are just some of the differences. It would have an aluminum tank. Single seat. They probably made about 1,000 of these, I'm guessing, in '92. They had to make 500 to race. It's rough, but it's all there. I got the plastic and everything else off it already. Obviously no foot peg, so it's got a bracket for the exhaust. That's all I know about this one.